Hello. Uh-oh. I've cooked the coffee. Oh yeah. Oh, I got this huge neck kink. Just like, ah, it's gonna be hard to think and breathe today. Ah, man. Perhaps, oh, this goes here. Perhaps I'm fortunate that I don't have to turn my head that much to do my job. Ooh. Uh, hmm. Right. So I was trying to come up with a way to have like sounds playback. Um, Let me look at the instructions. Block. Mm. There's 8. Okay, so input if you want to display like show keys, right? Output for the actual movements of the bot. Sound. World is gravity. Yeah, gravity um is just for gauges. Run events for the timer. Yes. Camera events for like, and then setting events for FOV change and stuff. I guess I should have. Oh, I should have a playback estate. Uh, what's the closest thing to match in JavaScript? I guess an if statement. So okay, so the most that it's gonna have to do is have a timer UI. So that's run events. Um, you could recreate the gauges. Um, the world events are for moving platform synchronization, and the graphics don't have that. Sound events. I'm just not sure. How do you play audio? Like, okay, so what I don't like is having to allocate on the heap during playback. I think that's the worst thing to do. Well, that's not true. It should be avoided at great cost. Um, by moving the while loop into JavaScript, we have visibility in we have visibility of each event as it happens. And that's about as good as you can do. I guess you could get the audio offset as well if you really wanted. Oh, pain interrupts my thoughts. My neck kink. Ugh. I'm kind of stun locked every time I try to think about this. Trying to think of like the perfect system. Oh, I tried to shake my head. Oh my god. And it's you just want to make something instead. The yeah, I should strive to make something rather than instantly make it perfect. R. Okay, well let's see if I can make a thingy. So this is actually not real. Um. Um. So the plan data structure from the bot file. Yes. Plan. Um, I could reuse that. Accumulate. Indeed. Um, hmm. Collect event indeed. E. Wait, why? Oh, because it's in this guy itself. I see. Hmm. Indeed. So, time less than time. So, whichever one is checked first wins. Hmm. Uh. Hmm. 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 Plan. How does the playback in the game work? Do I just have 8 heads? I I would assume I do. Ball. Er. Oh, it's client only. Ball imagine humanoid is unused. Uh Playback context. Okay. Ben. Hmm. Handle input. Mm-hmm. Run. Context equals context. Oh. Ah, yes. Real time context, offline context. That's right. So this is for playing player, smoothing simulation, and then this is for playing. Mm, I event queues, input.queued. Man, I thought I was such a genius when I was writing this. What a mess. Everything was an event queue. I was like, oh, I could use event queue for that. Hmm. So I'm not seeing where it like actually advances this. jump. Event queue indexer run. Advance 2 time. Good grief. Event queue. Advance to index, advance to time. Advance to index. Okay, so I'm just skipping. Set index. I am just skipping. I see. So the bot playback is wrong. And that's why. Okay. Well, I can do it better. I know better now. God, this would be hell to refactor. Everything should be done like the strafe client. Doing it like this is totally wrong. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's just like actually what I need though. Wow. Why don't I prototype? Let's see. Bot file. Behead. Indeed. It's cool. It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna go to big ol' and then we're gonna like util or something. Oh. I see. So for reading them files doesn't take much. You just read them. Reading them files. I think I make this here event size, event types. Oh, it's okay. Event type. Wait, event type is pub, right? Oh. Input output sound, huh? Heh. Heh heh heh. That complicates things. So, it means this is a head. And then this is a segment. Um, Next event block plan. Yeah. All you need, it's legitimately a method on plan. Oh, but it needs the block. Where is the block? Oh, it's the block. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. So what happens first? Setting happens first. Then input, then it doesn't matter. Well, setting, yeah, it setting should be done first. Generally they kind of just exist at the beginning of the stream though. And then yeah. So setting first, input next, output. Yeah, setting, input, and then who cares? I think like the gauges might be subtly wrong, but like generally you just jump over a chunk of events. Like I just gotta hope that the code is idempotent and it like can run in any order. Like it's world run gravity or world gravity run. It won't matter. But it's not necessarily true. Uh, Good gravy. Plan timeline. Wow. Plan block. Size increase. Accumulate. Indeed. So, uh, so I would put this like this. Oh. Hmm. Accumulate event type. So event type is private as well. Dang. Um. Uh, yeah. Next event. Like, I could put this into the language of the instructions. Oh. Ah. It's janky. I don't know if I need this accumulate function. We'll see. Okay, so. Uh. Uh. So. Uh. We can do. Next event self block and then we can't really do time limit. Oh, right. Mm. Okay, so if the camera moves before your FOV is changed, doesn't matter. Oh, it's orthogonal. If the timer changes, the timer's orthogonal. If the gravity changes, it's orthogonal. The world changes, it's orthogonal. Setting can change the style. I guess it's kind of orthogonal, actually. Right. For the purposes of strafe client recreation, it has setting input output. Um, but like setting before run is also good. Oh wait. Oh, but it doesn't care about the run events. That's right. Okay. Okay, so I can just use like collect goober situation. Um. Uh. mm, Aye. Oh. 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 Let's try that one again. Oh. Okay, so we say hmm. Uh ah. Ah. Oh. Wait, this is timed. Um I can say like this. And then uh b dot time. Do I have a map function? No. Hmm? Mm. What up? South. Can I go like this? Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah. 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 Oh. Mm. Mm. Wait. One of these. Uh. Why don't I do like this? Call it head. Uh-oh. Ha ha ha. Oh, indeed. So I can say first. Yes. And then time. Okay. Um. Nee. Yeah. Uh. F. Plan. No, 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 no. Plan default. Default. Uh. Okay. Yeah. It's dot zero dot zero, as we all know. Aha, 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 aha. So now I have a plan here. I can do plan dot. And then like that. Ooh, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. You look very talented. Any advice for mostly front-end dev looking to transition into Go? Well, I've always said that the best way to learn programming is finding a piece of software that's close to what you want to make and modifying it. And the idea being that you start with something working, and so if it stops working, you just go back to a working state, and you don't have to like start from a blank page. And that kind of just applies to any programming language, and even learning programming from scratch. Let's see. How do you break into back end type stuff? I'm like the opposite spectrum where I'm like only back end and I can't do anything front end. Mm, I don't really know how to like lay out a path, lay out, oh, this is what you do, and then you learn everything. Yes, you can make a physics engine too if you just learn this. It was like a lot of passive interest, trying things out, making stuff. There's probably a way to directly learn it, but I don't know what that is. But yeah, the like general programming learning advice probably would work. So not local. What do you mean not local? Oh. Your This is wild. Um yeah. It's true. Event type is more private. That is also true. So if I say, "Oh, what's next?" Oh, it's this one. Um this order is particular. Setting must appear first, then input, then put. Or wait, before input must appear. It's one R. For strafe client resim. Event type. I mean, event type. I can just make it pub, right? And then we're chilling. But then this stuff. This is a head. That's what it is. Mm-hmm. And then these functions are only used in here. I guess. Well, no, it does. It affects. It means. Pain. I guess I could just make them like functions. And accumulate. So if the next event tells you what event is next, Really? Wouldn't this... This is just merge sort. If I'm gonna read it repeatedly, wouldn't it be better to do the merge sort ahead of time? Well, no, I guess you want to stream it. Oh. Segments. Uh-oh. So I guarantee that all events in the next block are after. No, I don't. But like, it's Roblox. Oh well, it's a little bit janky. Um, so this is no longer plan. It's more like event data. I don't know. It's not plan. Plan. So like this is plan, and then the other one is head. The inner type is something else. Oh, this should probably be head. Yeah. I guess I could make this a member function. Jeez. And then this is self. And then self. Like that. And then... Uh-oh. Self. There we go. I should be consistent with the argument order. So like I have it at the end there. Event type. What makes the most sense? Event type first. How does that read? let's try it. Yeah, I think that's better actually. This is more readable of like what's going on. The argument order is consistent with this. Kind of. So it's like this adds this argument to the end, and then this adds this argument to the beginning. Ugh. Hmm. I don't know what the best way to do it is. So these functions would be unused. How? Immutable. I'm thinking too hard. I hate it. Yeah. This probably push. Um. Oh. Cool. Uh, high DPI and low sends, low DPI, high sends. Always high DPI and low sends. What it does is it puts the possible values closer together. So like when you move your mouse, all you can do is teleport between different values. You can only move your mouse one full pixel. So if you make it move a lot of pixels with a high DPI and then scrunch all the pixels together, it's more accurate overall. If you have a low DPI and a high sensitivity, your camera angles are more discrete. The quantum is larger. Uh, it's not a plan. Just makes me want to listen to the real song. They just took this song and made it worse. Okay, so that's better. So this is like predict. Right. So I want to get rid of these 0, 0. Uh, it's like per timelines. I could even call. No, I couldn't. They're different types. 8. Uh, gosh. Okay, so so now I need like block get event or some. Does block have any methods? Oh, it does. Okay. I guess it's get. Self block. You think switching from a mouse, the polling rate? No, that won't matter. 1 kilohertz is plenty. So with bhop going from 60 FPS to like 120 FPS, you actually gain better. So Roblox actually doesn't have any input timestamp information. So effectively, it's clipping your mouse polling rate down to the game's FPS. So unless you can get 8,000 FPS, there's no point in using a higher polling rate with Roblox. With Strafe Client, it's another story, because Strafe Client can have a separate thread that timestamps the input events and actually make use of that information without needing to render that fast. But it doesn't do that yet. Strafe Client isn't going to exist for a long time. All right. 0, 0. No. No, it is. What's up? Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Lua made my design bad. Okay, so you can't actually do this. I'm gonna need to lift it to the library. I could do this though. I could just call this get. And then this is now get. Can this be const? Const. Can this seriously be const? Conditionally const. How is it conditionally const? Buh. Alright, unlucky. It really is get event index. Did I actually make it good? Not quite. Not quite. This is left over. Right. I need to be able to accumulate state, but that is a playback thing. This is definitely bigger. It's kind of. Should this be like lib? Oh, it's only used. Let's see. 78. It's not that bad. The only thing I don't like is the name of this. That should be not that. Actually, plan has no methods whatsoever. So there's no reason to share the type. Just, yeah, so this is a head. That's a plan. Use size 8. Um, Easy. Okay, so this is a... Ooh. Did somebody stop compiling? Game? Oh. Why did the ID just break? I totally want to do into iter here. Indeed. Really? Really, dude? Give me my iter back. Is it? By value. N. Okay. And we will say N is a real man. Const. N. Self. Yay! Okay. Test it. I didn't break it, right? We good. We good. Wait. Plan block, planned block? Oh, so okay, that's the start of the time, and this is the cumulative. That's right. That's right. So this is not a plan. This is a head, and then this is last head, and then it becomes a plan when you make a range over the heads. Yeah, it's a head, not a plan. Okay. Oh, this is also a head, right? Yeah. Indeed. Plan block. Yes, indeed. Very good, very good. Let's F8. Eight, 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 eight. Cool. Okay, so all the eights are good eights. Fixed names. Mostly. Ah, I added another 9 lines of code. No, 9 lines of code. Nice. So planet now makes sense. It's a plan. It's a block. Well, it is a block plan, but it's also a plan. R. Good. Mm-hmm. I guess I should put this here. Because it's like only used just exactly right there. So that's good. And then into iterator for plan. Okay. Ah, that's that function. Okay. Okay. F. Wow. VecDeck push back. What the? Oh, that's right. Because I bop from both the start and the end. Okay. Yeah. It's all coming together. Okay. That's a good start. So now I have stuff that I can use on the outside of this code. Oh, I should eat my coffee. I'm gonna go heat it up. I have to move my neck. I don't have to move my neck. Ah. The neck hurts. Okay, I'm going to test this. So, we say path equals ... Roblox bot file, like that, and then now it's using the module, right? Okay. So now we go to the lib. And it's a insight, playback insight. Type situation, temp, use path for bow blocks by path. Okay. So so then this is a playback head, and the head can actually straight up just be a head. For real. Yes, sir. Very good, sir. Default head. Okay. So I'll probably need event type as well. And then I'll go with that. So I can. Look at that. So this is push with a semicolon. Neat. So that should still work. But yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. So we go like self.head.next event bot.timelines, and then it's this becomes while let some event type equals next event. While there is some next event, got the gap. Oh, never mind. It does actually need to be match. God dang it. Okay, so whoa, what? That code works? Huh? Oh, okay. Well, that was surprise. That was a surprise. That's. It is now running through. That's like the. That was a very good design. Wow. Uh oh. Oh. I wonder if this would crash. Let's try it. Bot player native. I think it might crash. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit sussy. It's like flashing. Yeah, it crashes. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Right. So I'm like matching a head. Okay. Mm-hmm. Actually, I I could go by. I could loop while at match. Mm. Oh. Ow. 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 Ugh. Hmm. 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 Okay, I'm looping. Hmm. I actually don't know why it's like flickering like that. That might be a hint. Oh. So this is all events. This is pretty neat. It's a pretty nice interface. But I was going by event plus one. Mm-hmm. If there's no next event, then it needs to reset because there's no interpolation. But like, it's supposed to be able to. Yeah, no, this is not well thought through. A child wrote this file format. A child programmer of the age 26. What kind of idiot would write this? Next event. Plus one. Plus one. Yeah, it is. It is a bit different because it has to have the interpolation target. It doesn't have to, I guess. But then that's a bunch of like dummy idiot code. Oh, it's actually -1. That might actually work. The head says the next index. It might crash right away. It did not crash right away. Isn't that fancy? A change in mindset just fixed everything. Yeah, cuz it's not flickering anymore either. Wow, okay. Okay, well, now it can play use head for playback. What a beautiful change. It actually made the code smaller, but also it one line bigger. Wait. Oh no, yeah, okay. So yeah, the head describes the next event. The event index is the next event that will be added to the head. I think it shouldn't crash. As long as you advance the time first. So it should probably less than. It's not quite right. Pretty cool though. I did actually cook. So now what I want is to get this loop out of the into JavaScript. So it should have like um a signal. To reset playback. Is this real? Yeah. Oh. I should do it like this. Or offset. Offset. T0 time. I don't know. Floating point. Subtracting large numbers. So oh, indeed. Time. So this is auto looping. Which I'm not a fan of. Oh, yeah, I was planning on like downloading all the map files. It would take a while. And then doing converting all the maps as well. Map files. Actually, what's in here? Inventories. Yes, I think that's what I want. Yes, okay. Asset tool. Download inventory. Download all versions of all assets. It should just have this ready to whip out here. No! Help! Alright, so we need the cookie. And the other. Let's see. Documents, RBX cookie, strafesnet. Yeah, and then API key. Documents, RBX API key, strafesnet. CI2 download assets. Output folder is here. Group ID is just the Strafesnet staging groups. Help. How do you do that? It's right here. Indeed. Okay, and then continue for sure. Continue true. All right, go for it. And it died. Invalid API key. Yes, I thought that might happen. So Roblox invalidates API keys after like 1 month of inactivity, which is asinine. It should be like minimum 6 months, probably like a year. Yeah, I'm going to use this endpoint that downloads all assets for the entire game every month. How do I do this? Crap. God. I have to log into a freaking alt account. What the hell? Log in, man. Is it this one? Yes. EBD. Apparently my IPv6 did not change. Well, that is unfortunate. That it's not using IPv6. Alright. Go again. Job failed due to no locations. All jobs complete. The what? Huh? There's no way it actually worked, right? That's too fast. Accessed. Modified 2025. Shouldn't it have like way more? Okay, what's like one of the new maps added to the game? Another day, another dollar. ID 82. Hello? Yeah, it's not there. Continue true. Oh, does it need this? Oh. Oh, okay. I think that is that one. Download creations JSON. Oh. Surf models. Unlucky. File. Documents. RBX cookie. Strafesnet. Nice. Okay, so now this is updated. So now if I run this again, it should start massively downloading, spamming Roblox servers, destroying Roblox. Oh. No such file or directory. That is an unfortunate error. Do I need to run? Okay, so I think I've run into like partial problem. Yeah, okay. Think. What is this? Why is that not done? Is that good? I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember. Okay, so download Daman Dimmadam. Homely domely. Okay, stop it with that. Oh my god. Okay, download creation. Okay, so continue. Haha, I'm such a goober. Uh, download creations pages from checkpoint asset list. On stream editor. Okay, so it's probably in this function. Indeed. Load state from files. Okay, so if there is no file, it cannot. So I believe that this is what is failing. Indeed. Continue downloading. Already downloaded. Cursor. Not downloaded. But this is all handled errors. Eh? It just says right there. So it made folders. Huh? Download. Is that download creation? Continue from cursor. So that it did this. It started making the folder directories. And then it question marked right here. I believe it's probably this. Okay, if continue. So get version history. Async function await. Okay, I'm downloading history one at a time. So I need to fall back here. So where is not found? this type of thing. So I think the error is right here. So if this is true, then we want to try this, but then fall back to this. Uh, mm, and okay. That would work, wouldn't it? I can just and let okay file equals. Kind of. So like this will work. Let chains are only damn son. All right, we go in 2024 in this. Okay, so if it fails to read the file for some other reason, it'll just kind of download it instead. But really, it should only do that if it's specifically a specific error. How do I like double fall back the path? I don't know. This is I don't know. Jobless extend version history. Does that mean so it doesn't even try? Get version history. Cursor. Okay, what if I don't say continue? So if I don't say continue. Oh, continue is just for the history. Okay. Never mind then. We can just leave everything as is and just not say continue. And so okay, so it skips it by default. Okay. Okay. So I'm refetching every history of every file and then skipping files that are already downloaded. Okay, do not continue. Go. I'm currently downloading every map ever for Surf and Hop. I am going to then convert every map ever into StrafeSnet maps. AC server dev. Oh, are we downloading now? Oh, 569 versions. Oh, I see, I see. Censored. Yeah, I could make this async, but I think that Roblox would not like it, and it's not that slow. It is kind of slow. It'd be nice to make it async. So I need to make a thing that can parse this folder structure. But I only really need the latest version. I guess I can just make like a script and then invoke. It's cool. There's a lot of maps. There's what, 1,000 maps? There's over 1,000 maps. This is all maps, not just the maps in the game. Oh, completed jobs. All right, we got. Oh, that was fast. Okay, so maybe I should make that parallel because the actual download was so fast. Well, I have all the maps. How many gigabytes is that? 1 gigabyte. Isn't that crazy? Every map ever. But most of the assets are stored on on Roblox. I would like to download all the assets. Not sure. Well, I got the maps at least. I want to get all the assets. don't think I have a way to do that. It's map tool. Download assets. And then you just list files. Can I just be like, yeah, dude, all the files? Map tool, download assets, inventories, strafesnet, everything dot rbxl. Didn't work. Oh, it needs a cookie. Cookie file. Strafesnet. It's actually just gonna work? Oh my god, I'm just downloading everything. Forbidden. Requested asset is archived. Am I seriously? How much? I don't hear the CPU revving. Oh, I guess it's just downloading. Is it like actually downloading? Not really. What? What is that? It looks like it's trying. Did it actually decode all the files? I have no idea what's going on. I'm just gonna like let it do its thing. It would probably is gonna take a very long time because Roblox rate limited the bejesus out of. Oh, it's downloading stuff. Oh wait, it didn't exist. Wait. I think I should do it in here. Okay, hold on. Let me change directories and try again. Textures old. Unions. Oh, good. Okay, we go again. This. I hope that this. It probably will like already have everything. I believe it like does a streaming decode of the files. Yeah, so it's got a gigabyte of memory and the CPU goes up and down. Woo! So it's like it has like a look ahead streaming decode of the map files to collect URLs And then it is like checking that the files exist as it goes through those URLs. I think. Download. It's a map tool. Download assets. Indeed. Oh wow, yeah, this is nuts. Unique assets, indeed. Does that just like exist? Unique assets result per file. Is that okay? Send. Unique assets. Yes. Okay, so globally unique assets. It only tries newly inserted. Yeah. Oh, we're doing it. We're just doing it. So oh my god. Do you see it spike up to 1,800% CPU? So 100% CPU is using one CPU core. It is reading the maps on parallel threads, downloading the files on parallel threads, and then transcoding the textures on parallel threads, writing out the files on parallel threads. This is a highly multi-threaded application. So it'll use as much CPU as it needs. It'll just start slurping. The download is not that crazy. Oh, this just random CPU usage spikes. It's so interesting. So I should be getting. I can't believe that my stupid everything just worked. That's dumb. I bet I can do that with the convert as well, and just like make a billion. But I should probably get the latest one only. Asset is not approved for the requester. Yeah, this could take hours. I have no idea how long it's going to take. All right, I'm just going to go here and delete this. Yeah, so this just got started. Unions, textures, download the textures, meshes. Those are not scripts. Lots and lots and lots of files. Oh. Is it? Oh yeah, it just kind of like does everything, huh? What an awesome piece of software. This is like really clean too. What is slow mode? I don't think I implemented that. Convert texture. You know it. God, it's so cool. Oh, it's up at 2 gigs of RAM usage. It should be dropping the maps as it goes, because like decoding all of the maps simultaneously would use all of my RAM. So it decodes it, grabs the assets, and then drops the data. So that's what I mean by like it's streaming decode, streaming download, highly parallel. What a god tier software. It's just a like developer tool to help me make strafe client maps. Yeah. It's so fun to watch it go up and down and use CPU. So, yeah, I think we're like highly rate limited on download. There shouldn't be gigabytes of URLs, right? Well, okay, that's going. And then I can figure out the conversion later. Amazing. Okay, so back to the bot decoder. I think actually this is best. So self to offset is like a highly negative number. So cancel out those ones first. And then this one will be similar to that one, T0. Minus T0. What is this? First time plus offset? Oh. Wait. I don't understand, but okay. I just want to watch this. Map tool. Whoa, did it jump up to 4 gigs of RAM usage? It did. I don't know why. Okay, so right. So what I want to do is make this function send something out to JavaScript, and then if the event happens to be a sound, now you can play a sound. Hmm. That's all you really care about, isn't it? Is sound. Well, I guess. Right. So actually, I think I could keep the state in here. It's just sound. The timer, like the timer, you could grab what it should display from a function call. That would probably be handy. Verboten. Downloads a few textures. Downloads a few unions. Wait, am I doing it one at a time? Download thread spawn receive. Yeah, I see. Right. Okay, right. So I'm downloading one at a time because Roblox is severely rate limited. Oh, all CPU core blast. When it needs CPU, it uses CPU. I'm having trouble with this. Cause like, okay, so there's like the timer that you need to display and the sound. I definitely don't want to force JavaScript to manage the entire playback state, including moving platforms. That's ridiculous because like it has to render the moving platforms. So, whoa, all the moving platforms are Lua. I could even do that. With that, can that compile? Can you compile Luau for Wasm? I don't know. It's C compiler, right? I don't know. Interesting idea. Button. There is no buttons. Yeah, I need the entire button system. Jeez. Jeez. Yeah, moving platforms are gonna have to not move. Oh, this should be here as well. I'm having trouble making new progress. How do I guarantee that this will work? I would have to do it in here. I have to say like head 1 or something, but there's no guarantees that there's even a single event. True, I could start at 1. Const. Yeah, I think that guarantees it. Because then this one can just fail. Get. Yeah, I think that works. Um. Hmm. Wait. Push is const. I should totally make a constructor. Um. Get out of here, bro. And that's GG. So then what about plan? Oh, plan doesn't have it. Awesome. Yay, default is gone. Five gigabyte. Using more memory. So now this, I can say const I guess clone copy. Const head no crash. Head equals this. Cool. Okay, I like that better. This is less exciting. Should work exactly the same. Neat. Well, there should be no chance of it crashing now. Actually, it can crash if the bot file is empty. I think. I think I unwrap actually. Yeah. Yeah, so it can crash if the file is empty. But like, none of the files are empty. None. None. Neat. Neat, neat. What time is it? 9? I have a whole hour to go. Until it's other work time. Did I save this? No. Hoo ha, hoo ha. I haven't really acted on what I keep saying, where I want to push the loop outside, but it's because I have to like make a wrapper type. I guess that's actually good because then I can't mutate the event type. God, streaming is gonna be so hard. Not that hard. Just keep a B tree of blocks, really. Oh, okay. Actually, interpolating across block boundaries and knowing that there's missing blocks. Uh-oh. Knowing that there's missing blocks. No, I have the timelines. Yeah, no, actually, no. I could invent the block IDs based on the index in the header, and then I have a B tree of header index. Then if it's non-sequential, then I'm missing a block, and I can say, your data's not there, man. Yeah, that'll work. Streaming easy. Easy. I wonder if I should have an enum that changes. I could even like swap out the entire object when streaming completes and make everything simpler. Insane. 0, 1. Why can't I just last? But I have that ID. I need. I need 4 interpolation points because there's the offline blocks and the real-time blocks. Oh, do you ever? No, you never interpolate offline. Okay, no. Okay, so I only need 2 interpolation points. And then the interpolation is only for real time. Yeah. And then offline ones are like cumulative. This is like not a simple problem, but I knew that. Like streaming playback is not a simple problem. It's just not. I solved it with weak types in Lua. Now, strong types in Rust. So what kind of state do you need? You need yeah. It's like really it's just the event types. You need the input state, the world state, but we're gonna not care about that. Gravity state, run state, camera state, and setting state. So it's only output and world that we're not caring about. And sound, I guess. Sound doesn't have state. Indeed. Head is where the state is. You gotta. Head is where the state is. Indeed. So it's like run state. So I would like to get in there. Oh my god. I can hear the CPU churning and it's so interesting. Map tools climbing. CPU usage. Right. So, okay, yeah, right. Okay, so why don't we just start next event. Self bot time. Function. Oh. Interesting. Actually, it's literally just this. It's independent of the time. Huh. Oh. Huh. Yeah. How much memory? 6 gigabytes now. Love my ad blocker. I wish it worked on Twitch. I wonder if they just gave up on the arms race, or if Twitch is just has people constantly on it and like watching the ad blocker updates and then just pushing a random update that breaks it. Okay, so process event should update the internal state. Oh my god. Downloaded something I found online. Make the stream low res. Oh, that's low res with some latency. That's the like corner player. That's hilarious. Does it have audio? Hmm. So get event index. So really, there's this internal playback state that remembers what gravity you have. It remembers what all the things you have. Shumshings. So yeah, inputs is input something. Controls. Game controls? Yeah. Mouse position. So that is input. We got that now. Output, there is no state. Sound, there's no state. World, we don't have any state. Gravity, run. We can actually use an entire run timer object, I believe, from common. Run. And that includes the run state and whether it's flagged even. Camera, to do camera punch. And then setting FOV. Sense. What else is in there? Setting. Turn speed, indeed. Turn speed, indeed. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. Very cool. Run state. Very cool. What? Maybe I should just do it like this and say v0 like this. Oops. So then the playback head includes state. Created. Oh, style. Damn. Crazy, 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 crazy. So there is playback state. So I need new playback state self. I'll just like fill in values, I guess. Game controls empty. Yay! Vector 2, 0. There's, yeah. Default, please. No. Okay. X0, Y0. Gabagoo. Vector 3. Whoa. 0. Okay, run is... I should just straight up import this. Use run. Run create. Oh, new. Ooh. Yay. Style is style. None, except we don't care. We're just going to make default. All right, so FOV is 1.0. Sensitivity, I actually don't really know. But just make something up. It's supposed to be overwritten. Yeah. Neato burrito. So now I need to like accumulate the state. Accumulate the state. Oh. Accumulate the state within the process event function. So I go like, oh, if it's a this guy, then we do that. If it's a this guy, then we do that. Let's create bot. Use create bot. Use it. It's gonna appear everywhere. Okay, so we actually do need the old bot guy right here. Because it's gonna read off of this. So like, it's gonna go like match event type, and then based on that event type, it does something. So some of them are gonna do nothing. But input is going to not do nothing. So yeah, first thing is index. I guess I say event equals bot dot timelines dot input events zoink, like that, and then yoink, 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 yoink. Wow, like that. And then also gravity run setting. Very good. And then G gravity timeline. Yay. So when we process an event, this is saying what the next event is, and then increment it. Yeah, I think that's right. So input, we go like self.state dot push input. Should I do it like that? Event. That sounds organized. In fact, I could go like this. One liner. It ain't pretty, but it'll get the job done. Gravity run setting push gravity push run. I actually think I need the entire event for that. Push setting. Uh-oh. No, it'll be okay. Oh. No, it should work. It should work. It should work. So it should go like, now we grab these guys. Function mutt self event gravity event stuff. So run timed run event setting event. Oh, I guess I can say v0, eh? And then input event. Yes. Okay, so now self dot game controls equals event dot game controls. Yeah. And then mouse position. Yeah. No. Shared reference. Vector 2 doesn't implement the copy trait. It's a freaking vector, man. Just copy it, man. Okay, so now gravity, self.gravity equals event.gravity. And then self.run. Now this is where it gets interesting. Match event.event. Yar. Oh my. That's a lot. Oh! Okay, so now we do self.run equals run new. And then self.style equals run event prepare dot style. And then self.run dot start time. Why you say time? You say time. Oh, why didn't you say that? So then we say time. Yes. Event.time. Oh, it's the other way. We have a float. We need to make a. We need to go backwards. Okay, we multiply it by this. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Times zoink. And then as I64 physics time raw no mut zone. What the hell? Mode. Okay. So, what's up? Data moved. Oh, lies. Okay, start. Haha, result that must be used. No. So this can fail if the run is already started. So if you try to start a run that's already started, then it's like, excuse me, you can't start the run because it's already started. Error, already started. Oh, apparently you can. There's two types of errors: already finished as well, or if you try to start a run that's finished. So you create the run, you start it, and then you finish it, and then that's your final time. So if it's already started, you can't start it. It's a stopwatch, right? And this is this extremely pedantic, precise type state. Well, not type state, but like everything is like extremely strongly typed. So like I have this timer that cannot be paused. It is a timer which is unpaused. The unpaused is part of the state. And an unpaused timer, like both of the, a paused timer, that's just a timestamp. This is like a fancy int, but it's fancy. I like it fancy. All right, finish. We go. Finish. Yeah, finish. Okay, clear. I don't know. uh, state does not represent none runs. Oh, I just forgot. Oh my god. There's a run for multiple modes. I forgot. I just ripped my pants a little bit. I just shat my pants a little bit. No, the back of my pants has like this rip in it. Oh my god. Okay, so there's actually like a hash map of runs. You can have multiple runs going on. I forgot about that. Am I actually going to do this? Is mode hashable? It should be. Okay, runs is a hash map of mode ID to run. What? And then now you can represent when there are no runs. Okay, so now we need hash map mode ID v0, I guess. Yeah. Hash map. Use it. Do it. STD. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so now hash map new. Oh. Yes. Prepare. Indeed. Runs.insert. Key is run.mode. And then now we see the Lua nonsense where there's just a global style, but run per mode. This isn't very well thought through. But what are you gonna do? Whatever. Whatever. Okay, so then so now we go if let sum run equals mutable reference self dot runs dot get run event zone dot mode. Now we're cooking. Run dot start. Yes, sir. Why did it do the tabs weird? Oh, because of this. I love Rust is amazing. Okay, so then same thing for this. Run finish. So even though it got really complicated, the code everything has a place, and there's a place for everything. Okay, so then clear, I believe we're clearing by mode spec. So actually indeed mode spec. So let's match mode spec. Run event clear mode spec. So we're clearing we're clearing runs from the runs table. So if we're clearing exactly this one, then that's self.runs.remove mode ID. reference. If we're clearing all, then that's runs.clear. That's easy. Runs clear. But option would... Oh, I see. I need a semicolon. Unlucky. And then invalid, clearing invalid runs is self.runs dot retain. Go back. Retain run dot is valid. Hello, please. Hello. Run unknown. Game. F. Hello game. Hello. Takes one argument. 2 arguments. Closure. KV. KK mode. We don't care about the mode. Okay, run. Mutt run. Run dot is full. Oh no. You can set it to flagged, but you can't ask what the flag reason is. Oppa. Okay, so I need a new. This is a okay. I mean, this is a shortcoming of the common library between strafe SNET. Private fields. It's private fields. So flag, and then get flag reason. That's what's up. Oh, bubby. Universal Robot Band. That's a cool name. Universal Robot. That's like what they used to call, or that's no, what they used to call. That's like the concept for a robot that can do anything. It's like the ultimate goal. It's like AGI, but for robot hardware. A robot that can do anything. I actually don't know that for sure. What am I looking for? Common source run. Indeed. So there's flag and then get flag reason. I guess I can just say no. Yeah, well, I mean, that's stupid. Flag reason. Just name it good. Should this be an error? Flag reason. Apparently, flag reason is nice and clone copy. Okay, GG. So I need sneed. Strafe project lib common. And then now I also need sneed. Lib common. Oh, path. Haha lol. Alright, are you gonna like kill me? Yes. Please don't kill me. Okay, so then common path, path graphics, gabagoo graphics. So if I say engine graphics, do you like that? Okay. Oh, not quite. Okay, what if sniff is also causing issues? Sniff. Okay, that was it. Okay. Run dot flag reason is some is retain ones where there is no reason that it is flagged. Keep the ones that are true. Returns false. Remove false. Okay, so if it's not none, then there is a flag reason. And this is false, and it should be removed. Okay. Yup. Okay, so in progress, that's also a retain. Run dot started. I guess I can say like is in progress and like is flagged. That's probably good. Well. Oh, it's a private type inside, isn't it? Yeah. See? So this is a public, but then this is private. Okay, so flag reason, cool. But then also is flagged. You know what? No. Is in progress. Is is started, is finished, is created. But like bool. Why didn't it give me IDE? Okay. Is this a big move? Run state is clone copy. You good? Does matches bind by reference? No. Okay, so is started, is finished. Oh, get finish time. I guess I can do get start time. But then that... Timer time. I don't know that. Retain false remove. So if it's not remove in progress. I think that does it. This is a pretty cool Rusty interaction. Cannot borrow as mutable. Lie. Oh. Okay, we keep going. Flag. Guess what this does? I don't believe I need a timestamp to flag the run. Run event flag. Oh, is it a mode spec? Goodness gravy. Yep. All right. So flag, and we have the flag reason. So now, if get the from the then flag that run. Flag that sucker to death. Wait. These are not the same mode IDs. This is a strafe snap mode ID. Oh, it doesn't matter because that's a hash map. But the flag reason, this is a Roblox flag reason, and I'm flagging a strafe snap run. Oi, give me it. Flag reason. So it's gonna say, sir, excuse me, it's not the right type. Excuse me, sir. Okay. I'll just like match inline because like this is only gonna be here and nowhere else. Flag reason boy. Run. Oh, haha. You can use those as the same guy, right? I think you can. Help. So what is it? This is run, 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 run away. Run, run. What type? Right. Oh. O. E. Is it exactly the same? Capital T, my ass. Strafe project has no practice flag. Wait a second. I actually should not use this. I should have a little run guy. Struct run. I'll use run. But then flag reason should be the bot file flag reason. Option. And not the built-in. Yeah. And that's on God. And then I don't need this garbage. I can't do run.flag, but that's okay. So run start. Oh. Run. Hi. impl run function new self self flag reason none run new yes sir. Right. So this is like that. Yeah. And then now we do run dot finish. And then run dot flat. We can just outright nab it. And then run dot is started. Yeah. And then now this is not real. Zing. So then we do run flag reason. Game? Why didn't it give me that? So then equals some flag reason but it should be the first one, first flagged, just like this guy. I can just zoink the code right from there. Run. Flag reason. Yay. Okay. And then. Oh, yeah, no, this belongs in here. Run.flag. Blah, 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 blah. Flag. Help. Please run event flag. Flag reason. Semicolon. And then now I make a little function. New. Function. Flag. Mut self. Flag reason. 0. Flag reason. Zoink. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then this is now self. And this is now flag reason. And oi. Oi. Right. Okay. Invalid. Flag invalid. I feel like that just isn't going to happen. But it's just because it's a general mode spec instead of being like specific. It's just invalid states are representable because it's poorly made and it's not written in Rust. Haha. In self.runs mut. We love mut. Okay. Invalid. So if goob, then gob. If invalid, I guess I can actually make these, hey? And it'll look nicer. Is invalid self slef bool self dot flag reason is some and then is in progress. Self dot run dot is started is calling the uber goober function. Yeah, man. And then invalid progress. Yeah. So if it's not in progress, then we clear it. Then we drop it. If it's invalid, then we drop it. Phew. Okay, that's cleaner. Isn't that beautiful? I could make this all have the same pattern here. Okay, so now invalid if run is invalid. Hello? Game? Hello? What? Are you trolling me? Tuple. Oh god. Okay. Abba. Okay, so values mutt. There you go. Then flag. Run.flag. Event flag reason. This is game logic. It's like I'm writing bhop again. Okay, and then in progress, exact same thing, but is in progress. If it is in progress, we flag that sucker. Jeez Louise. Okay, so load state. That should never be in the bot file. These should never appear in a bot file. They are just part of the network protocol for spectating someone in practice mode. Yes, this is a design mistake. I didn't understand session versus simulation when I wrote bhop in 2022. Rewrote bhop in 2022. And that's GG. $76. Let's go. Okay. So that's what happens when you push a run event. That was a lot of implementation details. It's cool to use the strafesnet run object. Although maybe I should just recreate it. Yeah, whatever. Because like there's extra crap on it. I could actually just pub the interstate thingy. Woman. It is more correct. But like I want these functions like this should probably just forward a call. Why don't I just see how that goes? So this guy goes in here, and instead of self.state, it's just self. And then we can say it like this. And then we grab functions. Come on, ma. Self.state.time. I guess I can. There we go. So now I'm exposing the inner type. Yeah. I guess you can just look at it now. Yeah. Okay. So then now over here, instead of using run, I can use run state because that's more accurate. New. New is not real. Uh-oh. And then is started is not real. We need the whole matches thing. I don't get why it doesn't IDE me. Oh my god, that's it. Okay, I just removed the extra clutter from the type. So it used to be more bytes. So if I write this, it's like 32 bytes. 8 bytes saved. Oh, okay. No way. No way. Good. Match event dot event. Oh, that's the whole thing. Okay. Setting field of view. Oh, there is no f of a x, f of a y. It's just f of a y. No guy. No guy. No guy. Dot value we go. Okay. Self dot FOV equals setting dot FOV. Okay, and then sensitivity. Hello. Ah. Self dot ah. Still, I'm not done yet. Absolute sensitivity enabled. Does that make sense? Do I send? What do I do? Absolute sensitivity. Use absolute sensitivity. You absolute sensitivity. So this is I need to search the game. Why isn't it searching through the game? Oh, it's absolute sends, isn't it? Use absolute sends. Gabagoo. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So where does it like, oh, there it is. Okay. It's last. Hmm. Hmm. Dang. Um, so I actually just need to have all of these implementation details. So I can't have sense y. I have to have build a data center. Sensitivity multiplier, vertical sensitivity multiplier, turn speed, the turn speed. Absolute sensitivity enabled false. No, 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 no. So I have to do this. I can't do this. I have to do this. Vertical equals to setting dot multiplier. And then self dot absolute sensitivity enabled equals setting dot enabled. And then turn speed, self dot turn speed equals setting event dot turn speed. Okay, well, that was unfortunate. Each one just changes a different setting. And then I have to do stuff after. Okay, well, that is done. Temp use all libs by path. Oh my. Yeah. Yeah, this is playback state. Playback state. It's like it's kind of finished even. And then but you can't see inside of it. So I'll need to iterate and iterate and iterate. Copy for vector types. Who doesn't have copy? Timed clone is fine. So now this one is what I'm interested in. So this is tweak common. Tweak run. Yeah. Good. Actually, I don't need this function, but I do need this function. Oh, that just reminded me of the best song ever. I forgot about the best song ever. That kid saying just nonsense was a sample from one of my favorite songs ever. Now I gotta go find it. Oh man. Oh come on. Jesse cassettes. Yes, Neo Tokyo Trip. Okay. I am just saving my work here. Wait, what happened? Oh, I see. Oh, that's an interesting way that it moved the code. Cool. I believe that's good. And then the player, we're good. Everything's good. Best song ever. Yes. Can you hear it? You can hear the sample. Is this still going? The map tool is still going. We're up to 12 gigabytes of memory. 5 gigabytes of Roblox textures. I'm downloading all the textures for all the maps. All right. All right. Good work. Oh, I wonder if anything happened here. Good. Yes. Good. Everything is good. Everything is done. Everything is good. So I have successfully iterated on the design, worked towards my goals, and I will be back tomorrow and do more for this cool web bot player. Goodbye.